Show you some dynamic elbow mobilizations, so medial and lateral glides as we move in and out of elbow flexion and extension. So we're going to place this band just below our elbow pit there. We have something to grip. This kind of tells us, is this working or not? So we're just going to do a baseline test, find our pain with the elbow bent. Just keep in mind, elbow bent is going to produce typically different pain than when the elbow's straight, or in different degrees of motion. Also, in different degrees of pronation and supination, can provoke people differently. So we want to kind of play through all of those ranges, find where it's provoked, and then work it. The idea is the band gives us some joint distraction, changes the tendon pull, and it can get us some relief. We get some good pumping, get a good neurological response. So what this is going to look like is we're going to hold the arm, upper arm, so we can relax our elbow joint a little bit. We're going to put some tension, and then we're just going to work through a range of motion. So for example, if we're having trouble with our elbow in the front rack, we're going to turn that hand down to mimic that front rack position as we squeeze and work through there. And then we can also work through varying ranges here in pronation and supination. The opposite's just going to be if we flip around, have the band points the other way. I'm going to show you guys on the other arm just so we can see below the elbow pit. And same thing, we're going to squeeze and work through varying degrees of elbow flexion, extension, pronation,